The health wonders of baking soda, uncovered.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a simple household ingredient with remarkable health benefits, baking soda, or as it's known in more scientific terms, bicarbonate of soda. This humble powder, often used in cooking, surprisingly packs some serious health advantages. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of baking soda.
What is baking soda?
Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a white crystalline powder that is commonly used as a raising agent in baking. But did you know that it also has various health benefits?
How does baking soda improve oral health?
One of the most well-known benefits of baking soda is its use in oral care. Baking soda helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. Its abrasive nature can help scrub away surface stains on teeth and neutralize the smell causing acids in the mouth. Furthermore, some research indicates that it can help fight gum disease by neutralizing harmful oral bacteria.
Can baking soda aid digestion?
Absolutely. Baking soda has been used as a home remedy for indigestion and acid reflux for many years. When dissolved in water, it can neutralize stomach acid, which provides relief from conditions like heartburn and indigestion. However, it is crucial to remember that regular or excessive use can lead to certain health complications, such as metabolic alkalosis. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using baking soda as a remedy for digestive problems.
Does baking soda promote kidney health?
Some research suggests that baking soda can help people with chronic kidney disease. The kidneys play a significant role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance. When they aren't functioning properly, acid levels can rise. Sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, may help reduce this acid buildup and slow the progression of kidney disease.
What are the skin benefits of baking soda?
Baking soda can serve as an effective, though not widely recommended, exfoliant for the skin. It helps in removing dead skin cells and excess sebum from the surface of the skin. It's also popular as a remedy for minor irritations and itchiness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, it should be used with caution as it can disrupt the skin's pH balance, leading to dryness and irritation. And there you have it. The versatile baking soda can indeed serve as a handy tool for oral care, digestion, kidney health, and even skincare. However, it's important to note that while baking soda can be beneficial, it should be used appropriately and should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. If you're considering using baking soda for health benefits, always consult a healthcare professional first. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.